Hi friends, thanks for joining me. We are going to have some fun today. I am participating in a collaboration that is hosted by Two Sister Jam, and it's called the Altered Heads Challenge. Instead of using a human head, I decided I would go ahead and use this adorable dog that has a tennis ball in his mouth. I found this image in a Coastal Living magazine, and I also grabbed some die cuts of flowers. I'm actually going to go ahead, you can see the image of the dog is bigger than my art journal. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it off, and then I don't like the writing that's across the dog's chest. So I'm going to go ahead and cover that with some flowers, and then I'll get into altering the top of the dog's head. While I'm working on cutting that out and getting that placed, I want to say hi and welcome and tell you that I'm so glad that you are here spending some time with me. I've been doing some more collage lately. I really missed it. So I'm trying to get back into that a little bit. I'm also at a place in my life where I'm going through something that's a little bit emotionally taxing. And so collage helps me de-stress. I don't have to think real hard about it. I can just have fun with it. I can make any kind of collage I want. I can have fun. I can be dramatic. I can do whatever. And I love the freedom in that. So you are going to see some more videos coming up with a lot of collage in it. I'm also going to be participating in a junk journal January, and each of those pages will be collage as well. But for today, I am having fun altering this dog. So you can see I'm putting the flowers on. That's going to help cover up the writing that's on the dog's chest. Plus, it'll just add some whimsy and color. Now I'm ready to start on the top of the dog's head, but I don't want to just put things there. I want a base. So I thought I'd go ahead and use this doily as a base, and I'm popping it in my circle cutter. And actually I probably should have layered it because it didn't cut all the way through, but it marked it so that I can just use my scissors here and finish the job. So that's going to go on sort of like a bonnet. I'm going to go ahead and just simply use glue stick. Most of this I'll use glue stick. That should stick down just fine. This is my personal art journal, so no big deal if something comes loose. In the future, I can always go ahead and tack it down with my Aleene's tacky glue. Usually though, glue stick works fine for collaging. Unless I'm using a heavyweight paper, then I won't use it. I use my Aleene's. But on thin papers, it typically works perfectly fine. I've got some two-dimensional flowers here, and I'm going to go ahead and pop those on the bonnet of the dog. And I'm going to go all the way around, so I think that's going to look pretty cute. Just for a little extra something special, I'm putting a little dot of glue in between each one of the flowers, and I've grabbed some large brown sequins, and I'm going to go ahead and pop those into the center of each flower. Now I am marking the paper just so I have a note of what I did, what it was for, and the date. Friends, here is our finished collage. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process. I hope you like the end result. I really like it. It makes me happy to look at it, and it was really a lot of fun to just be free and put it together. Thanks for watching. See you soon.